Now you sound like Bob.
Yeah.
Right now.
I'm gonna get my back now.
God, I couldn't even see the damn thing.
I'm keeping it in focus.
No shit. And I'm drunk.
That makes it even worse. There are like 3 of them.
Has he been drinking?
I don't know, probably. I hope so.
Damn! Yeah!
I do believe that was between
Yeah! God!
Wayne, was that behind you?
I know you're right over there. Hey, there's hair
I was about to say, I think it was behind you and in front of us.
You'd think he farted with the way everybody moved back.
Right.
We flew together today.
Exactly.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
That's sweet.
That is some sweet flying.
Wayne, let's get some people to go lay down on the field and you get close to them.
I get in trouble for that from Mac, remember?
Well, yeah, we did that last year. KFC had a 10-foot 4-engine